Hello, I'm Ken, the chef for Saval Food Service, and today we are going to talk about the Saval family recipe beef tips in gravy. It comes fully seasoned and cooked, frozen in a case of 4 individual 5-pound packages. It can be served open-faced hot over sourdough bread, mashed potato, and a side of your favorite vegetable for a classic diner-style meal, or as an ingredient in a less traditional beef tamale. This month, we used it as a replacement for the more traditional lamb stew and a shepherd's pie. We start by heating the beef tips. Then, in an oven-safe dish, we put carrots and peas. Next, we add mushrooms. Then we ladle our hot beef tips. Then we top it with mashed potatoes. Hit it with a touch of pan spray. And bake until golden brown and piping hot. Serve with bread and butter on the side, and at around $3.20 to put on the plate, you have a new play on a barroom favorite that is easy to make and profitable. Enjoy.